Hi, I am Miss Chad. I am your child's science teacher this year. I'm really excited to have students back in the building since our break in the spring. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to show you what your student will be seeing on their Google Classroom. I've sent all of them invites through email, so they just need to click on that and click join. There's also a class code, but they shouldn't need it as long as they got their email, which I'm pretty sure everybody has. I've already got quite a few that have joined and quite a few that have set up parent emails. I do want to let you know that you can, if your child sets you up, you can get notifications, weekly notifications. You set them up to whatever you prefer. There's preferences and stuff, kind of like you get for the school if you've set yourself up for email notifications in that way. So what they're going to see is my screen, and a quick way for them to get through their classes is once they're in classroom, there's these three little lines and they can click on it and navigate between their classrooms in that way. Google uses tiles, well, I call them the 9 tiles, but these little dots right here, that's just how they navigate through their drive. But if you click on classroom, this is a test student, so you're going to see a lot of different ones. Then they'll click on whichever classroom that they need for that day or what they're doing for right that minute. So anyway, there's a stream. Now in my stream, I'm trying to keep all of the class resources at the top. So they will be up top. There's bell schedules for your students when they are Zooming on Wednesdays, because they'll have to Zoom with all of their teachers on Wednesdays. So there's bell schedules there. So if you want to take a screenshot of that, or if you want to click on it and print one out, you can do that. My procedures and expectations it's a Google Slides is in here, and I'll be going over that with all the students several times throughout the year so they don't forget them, and we'll be practicing our procedures. I will be doing digital classroom sign in and sign out forms. I'm trying to keep paper and pens that are community used out of their hands, so that's a little bit different this year. And I also have a pink slip system, and before they would actually get a pink slip and they would have to fill out if they were missing an assignment or didn't have an assignment that was due that day, and they had to tell me why it wasn't done. It kind of holds them accountable. But this year it's virtual, so there's this, and it will generate a spreadsheet for me so that I can keep track of it that way. The other thing they can do is click on classwork. Like I said, all I have right now is classroom resources in classwork, but underneath this there will be videos and assignments and things like that for your student. If they want to see the kids in their class, if they need to email somebody or whatever, they can click on this. Obviously, I'm the teacher in this classroom, and some of the other teachers are students because we use this to see the student view. But they just click on the little email for that. I will make sure that the parent-guardian piece is put into place for each of my classrooms so that you can get these emails. I know that some of my students have already signed up for that, so I know that it's open, but I'm going to double check, and if you're having any trouble with that, just let me know. And please do not ever hesitate to email me. My email is lchad with 2 Ds at usd402.com. There will be further little videos and things as we progress through the semester. We've had a lot of training and just making things more streamlined up front, but there will be some hiccups along the way. So please be patient, but I just wanted to give a quick shout out, and I'm looking forward to working with your students and you. Thank you.